Mimi's Mixed Bag. If you're one of my subscribers, thank you so much for sticking around and enjoying what I share. If you are new to this channel, I'm primarily a craft channel. I do home decor, some thrift hauls, and occasionally a beauty or recipe. That's why I call my channel Mimi's Mixed Bag, because I just, whatever I find interesting to share. But today I'm participating in Hillary of Old World Home $5 Goodwill Challenge. I'm a veteran participator and it's just a lot of fun every season. Now we take $5 and spend it. Now when she put out the invitation, she also mentioned that we should find something for our challenge that's not just to clutter our home, but it's something that may be useful that we could use in our home, not just for the challenge sake. And I took that to heart this time and said, you know, I'm going to find something I really need. Well, for years around my pool in the backyard, I've always put little critters in my potted flower pots outside. What it does is just adds a little whimsy, unexpected little surprise when someone walks by my flower pots. And let me show you what I normally do is they're always little thrifted items. They're like little ceramic things like this. This is actually one that's been a couple years old. They usually last a couple years because they're normally not outdoor little figurines, and so I usually sometimes have to touch them up. So this is one that I'm actually going to touch up and reuse this year. And then other things I do find thrifted. But let me show you, I spent $3.50 this time, and I went to an estate sale this past Sunday and picked up a couple things to add to my pots, because I have about 8 pots in the backyard. Occasionally I'll have to replace 1 or 2 little critters a year. So I found this little baby chick. Not an outdoor figurine, so it's not going to last but a year or two, but I just thought it was so cute for me to stick in one of my flower pots. And that was $99. I paid $1 for that one. And the other thing I picked up was this big little fella right here, this little ceramic frog. And he again is not an outdoor thing, so he's only going to last a couple years. It's just something from somebody made back in 1999, and I think he'll be so cute nestled in my flower pot somewhere. So what I thought I would do is I'm going to touch up that little rabbit from last year, and then I'm just going to create a slideshow of all my pots in the backyard showing you all my little hidden critters in my flowers. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure and check out the other participants. Bye-bye.